be talking about culinary.
My name is Justin Hernandez, and I'm in 12th grade, and I am in culinary practicum.
My mom cooks a lot, so I always helped her in the kitchen. It was just something, interesting to me. At first, it was just for fun. The cooking seemed interesting. I like to bake on my free time, so I thought I could do baking here a lot.
What I love most about this class is I really love cooking, or the eating the cooking part.
I like knowing new recipes, learning them, having the experience in the kitchen, getting the inside of the business.
Before I took this class, I had to take Intro to Culinary, and then Culinary, and then Advanced Culinary, and then Practical.
Well, first year is just safety, and then the second year you manage the kitchen, so you learn how to use the dishwashers, the sinks, and then third year you get more into knife cutting, and then I'm in my fourth year, which is practicum, and this year you're just more involved in handling food and managing it.
Whenever we cook, we mise en place first, which is kind of getting everything together, preparing everything, and then we all have our assigned tasks to do.
They prepare you for if you're in a restaurant, so obviously there's different tasks for different people, like the sous chef, the chef, so we each have a different task. One manages, one measures, one does whatever the recipe needs.
It's helped me be more creative and more organized, because a lot of it is getting organized, or else it's just gonna be a mess.
It's making croissants, because that's really hard to have different tasks. So I would work on the dough one day, and then my partner would work on the filling and everything. So I think that was the hardest thing I had to do.
It really does help you be organized. I realize how important that is. And also just enjoying what you want to do. If you really enjoy it, then you should stick with it and just do it because you want.
I've been more independent in this class, doing my own thing sometimes. So that gets me excited. I get to be independent later on. The way I manage it well, I get excited that I can manage my own business.